Hi everyone, this is going to be a really super short video. How do we get to enter the Laikai exchange section? So of course, if you're taking this course, you know there's a lot more stuff to actually fully report the 1031 exchange. But if you just need to get to the 1031 exchange form, this is how you do it. So in TurboTax, usually there are two ways. Usually you can go through the process like the form, from federal, just the income, that kind of thing. Or you can get to the search and then jump to section. We're gonna go through the regular one. So you're at the tax home. Usually these are all the investment income, the wages and income section, right? So you could go to, for 1031 exchange, it's gonna be sale of business property. So you can go through this one. But if you don't see the wages income section, sale of business property on your menu navigation, you can go and look for all section. So for us, we're gonna have to scroll down here. Your look in TurboTax Online might be slightly different depending on what version you're using and what tax year. They do change their layout for year to year a little bit. We're in the premium TurboTax Online. If you go to all sections, go to add wages and income. So it's gonna take you to the all wages and income section, and then you're gonna look for sale of business. So a lot of time you just have to kind of read through to see where it might be. So it's not in the rental, other business situation. Okay, so in other business situation, so this is sale of business property. So you can click visit, right? Or remember in our case, when in the tax home, we have it sale of business property right here. We can click on that. Any other property sales, we want to click any additional like-kind exchanges. This is what the checkbox that you want to check. After that, you just go through the flow. Is it related party? No, right? So that is the usual way to go through it. The other way, you go to the search. So you see this magnifying glass that usually is the search button. And then in the search section, you're going to type in like-kind, no dash in between, just like-kind, and then hit enter, and you see the jump to like-kind section. You click that. See, it's taking us right to the any other property sales section, and then you check this checkbox, and then you click continue. So it's the same thing. So remember, usually in TurboTax there are two ways to get to the section or form that you need to go to. The only thing you might need to kind of play around with, because of the search section, the TurboTax, you want to use jump to, you really have to type in the right keyword, right, for TurboTax to understand. Because if you do like-kind, let's just test, see like-kind with a dash, because you usually think, oh, like-kind, okay. So it does take you there, right? What if I type 1031? Does it give me, say, if you type in 1031, there's no jump to section at all. Even though for us, we know 1031 more than like-kind, right? Because a lot of people heard about 1031, but they don't know 1031 and like-kind exchange are the same. It's used interchangeably. So with TurboTax, sometimes you just have to, if you want to use the jump to section, either you know the exact keyword or you kind of have to play around with the keyword. So I think if you do like-kind exchange, you might be able to get to there. Unfortunately, no. If you type in like-kind, you can do jump to section. But if you do like-kind exchange, it's just going to give you more search results, like, what it is and information. But see, if you do like-kind, see, now you get the jump to link. So this is a little tip to navigate things in TurboTax. I hope you find it helpful. Let's move on to the next video.